Say hello for everybody.
Hey guys.
Thank you guys liking my video and come back to watch. Today I got the big bag. I think the bag is for the pink witch and rainbow, and one more is the what call it? Hong Mian. Yes. Huh? Can you help me open the bag? Let me see how pretty the flowers. That bag I ordered somebody. She had the succulent plants from the Korean, and what I saw she video is have the nice plants. That's why I go to her website to text her, and I said I want that. Are you back? You have some bag you can use. Yes. Oh, they pack it like that. Okay. Be careful. Take the whole thing out. Wow. Down a little bit, huh? I couldn't see. Okay. Hand it off. I take it. Ooh. A lot. Yes. A lot of hairs, and look at that, the stone is a lot, but the leaf is a little bit dried up. See that? And that's the main one, a little bit dry. And one head is broke. See? Yeah, take it out that one. One head broke. Not so good. And the pink witch is the nice. They're called pink witch. Okay. Put on the container, huh, please. What is it here? That one. Oh. That. Oh. That I didn't order it. That is the ice berry. And the menu also. They're good in but dry up soon. Okay, I'm trying to plant it. That young and almost dry up soon. Let's see. But the color is pretty. Pink. Right? Nice. Wow, look at that one. That's the rainbow. Not a small head. Okay. Keep over there. And the menu also. Not bad. That one, I don't know, expensive or no. That one, rainbow is the $45, right? Huh?
I think so.
I hope the price is good. You know, I saw something I want a 20, but I don't know the one head or two head or couple head. That's right. But I like it plants like that. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that one is very, very good. Almost. Even the small thing, no? Okay. Bye. Down. That home a lot also. But what I saw the video is the very big, long. But right now I get it shoot. I hope the pretty hand. The pretty.
It will be pretty.
Okay. And I saw the main head here. The main head have a lot of baby also here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
See inside.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
The nice color one. Okay, that one I like it. Okay, can you move over here? Okay. Like that. They call home yim. I think the cup like that. See?
Yeah.
The color is pretty. And one more pink rich. But copper head is broken. On this side is the three. See that? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
There's so many baby on the main head. How many you got? Only 2?
Yeah, just 2.
Couldn't find another one? A little bit dry up. Okay. That means I can use the head plant another one. And one more small also. Oh, this small head, I'm not sure. No more leaves. It's so over here. I think they were it's separate. I'm not sure. Okay. They broke it one head, 3 head exactly. I don't know that almost no leaves. That can be or no. Just keep it. And that one okay. Plant another one. The 2. And the rainbow pretty. Today have time, okay. Clean up enough. Sometimes when I open the box, have time I just clean one away. In no time, I just leave over there. When have time I clean up. Okay, let's just use the big one, that one. Be careful, that's so thin. The clean up really like that. They're pretty. And forehead. Let me find a nice flower pot for her. Okay, and that one, look at that. There's iceberry is a lot of hairs, and but almost dried up. They gave it to me for the gift. Let me try it. That the root is not working anymore. They dry up. And you need to clean up. You have to be careful. Very easy because the stone is so thin. So, yeah, you have to really be careful. See? Really small, see? So thin, look at that. All the old one is dried up, cannot use. No, look at that. I cut one off. I cut one off. The baby. Again one. Yeah. Okay, just keep over here later. Put it together. Oh gee. For me. Okay, I just put it back when I'm blending. Okay, clean up like that. Not bad, see? So pretty, right? Later when I'm blending, maybe here one. Okay, take another one. In here. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3 head is the block. And so white and a lot. Okay, a lot dry lid. Hey, really hot. Gotta keep going touch the wet one. Yeah. Come on, get out here. That's your lid. Because I'm scared keeping the block gets down. They're pretty, but that main one, look at that.
There's a lot of dead leaves there.
Yeah. So many. So many. I hope they so live over here. You know, after the roots not come out and the leaves no more, I don't know what I have to do. No, I see some almost here. I'm scared to do it again. Yeah, here it is. You see inside so much. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. The penguin just let it clean up. I hope more. Hồng Yin look like more better. Not that much dry leaf.
That's better.
The thing is here or here, in here. In here, have the baby come out. See, they have the baby around one.
Oh,
I know I saw it have 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Much better. They have the second babies come out. Okay. Oh, look like color pretty.
Yeah, looks much better.
See, Hồng Yin is the more pretty and more healthy. Pink Witch have a lot of hairs, but not so many hairs. No, so many leaves dry up. Ooh. Not bad. Hey, I remember Hồng Yin is cheaper one.
Yeah.
$10 cheaper.
Okay.
Hồng Yin is 85, and Pink Witch is 95. So many hairs, but so many dry leaves and even the main ones here. I think the pink which she got is the long time ago. She not get me just she take it. When I saw her video, just 2 days. She just opened the box 2 days. Then I order it. Supposed to be not be like that. The pink witch pretty also a lot head. But see the broken. So over here had the small head. I found it.
Oh, wow.
I found another one here, I think. And that one, the long one, maybe here. Yeah. And that one big one here. See? Yeah. Okay. Just in case, try to plant the 3 heads. Use a small flower pot. Okay. The pink witch and the Hongyin. Today the video is just like that. Have a little bit longer. But thank you guys liking my video and watch. Thank you so much. After couple days is the Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys, and happy planting. I have some more Korean succulent plants coming soon on the way. When they come, I will show you guys. The flower is so pretty. I look like cannot control. They are doing the good job. The plants is nice. I will keep going to order from them. Okay. Thank you. See you next time.